Hello dear fans. How to find the median of an equilateral triangle. The median of a triangle is the line segment that connects the apex of the triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. In an equilateral triangle, the median is the bisector and the height at the same time. Thus, the desired segment can be constructed in several ways. Necessary: pencil, ruler, protractor, compasses. Instructions. Step 1. Using a ruler and pencil, divide the side of an equilateral triangle in half. Draw a line between the found point and the opposite corner of the triangle. Set aside the next two lines in the same way. You have drawn the medians of an equilateral triangle. Step 2. Draw the height of an equilateral triangle. Using a square, lower the perpendicular from the apex of the triangle to the opposite side. You have plotted the height of an equilateral triangle. She is at the same time his median. Step 3. Construct the bisectors of an equilateral triangle. Any angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Attach the protractor to one of the sides of the triangle so that the starting point coincides with the apex of the triangle. One of its sides should go exactly along the line of the measuring device. The other side should cross the semicircle at a point with a mark of 60 degrees. Step 4. Mark the 30 degrees division with a dot. Draw a ray connecting the found point and the vertex of the triangle. Find the point where the ray meets the side of the triangle. The resulting segment is the bisector of an equilateral triangle, which is its median. Step 5. If an equilateral triangle is inscribed in a circle, draw a line connecting its vertex to the center of the circle. Mark the intersection of this line with the side of the triangle. The line segment connecting the apex of the triangle and its side will be the median of an equilateral triangle. Thanks for watching.